6 tips to get good physique. Exercise daily. Exercise daily for at least an hour. You should have some sort of moderate physical activity in your daily life. If you are looking to shed a few pounds fast, do a higher level intensity workout. Proper diet. Eat the right foods and portion each meal. Exercising only counts for 50% of the result, while proper diet counts for 50%. Avoid unhealthy and junk foods. Get good sleep. Exercising puts muscles under stress and tears the tissues, while sleep helps you repair them stronger than before. You can say that sleep is responsible for muscle building. Stay motivated. An important key to being in shape is to set goals and keep a positive mindset. If you stay positive, you will be able to push yourself to get that fit body you are always wanted. Masturbate less. Masturbate less, believe it or not, but masturbation took a mental role on you and makes you feel tired and guilty. As a result, this mental stress will negatively affect your physical goals. Be accountable of your calories. Keeping track of how many calories you eat in a day will be helpful in planning out your physical exercising. Plan out meals and take in more healthy calories.